guys, welcome to another MTM video. Today we've got a Peugeot Expert with no handbrake, and we're going to have a look into why. So the handbrake, as you can see, you just lift it up, just goes all the way up. Nothing there at all. So underneath, if you follow the cable back from where it comes out from inside the car, it goes through down to a splitter where the back two cables join on to the cable from the lever. One side is fine, it's still attached as it should be. The other side though is a little plastic connection that's just come apart, and that's why we haven't got handbrake, because when you are pulling it, there's so much slack in it because it's only attached to one side. That's why it's coming up so high. But you can see there's nothing really holding it in. There's a little retainer clip there, but not doing much. And there's marks where probably the ends of this handbrake cable has kind of ripped through the plastic. You can see the groove marks. We'll take this off and we'll compare it then to the new part as well. Okay, so we want to detach the cable from the lever. So if you lift this up, you can see there's a Torx 20 there. So we'll just undo that. What have I got? Not a Torx 20, a Torx 20. And there's another Torx 20 in the back just there as well. Okay, the bolt in the back is slightly longer, so just be aware of that when you're putting it back in. Just keep it in there safe. It should be loose now, yeah. Just put that in as well. That is the end of the cable, which we need to detach from this lever. So where that cable is sitting now, if you lift this up, that's what draws this cable further up and takes up the tension throughout the cable. So if we lower this down, you see there's so much slack in it now anyway. We just unhook it. There's no loose in there. So there's little clips here that are holding it on to this little bracket. You want to release. This will just come away. Like that. Okay, so we need to detach this side of the cable, take it off of the hooks that are holding the rest of the cable up, and we are away. There we go, so we can unhook it from there. And go around. And we are away. Okay, so with the old cable off the car, we're able to compare it to the new one that we've got to replace it. The main differences that we're looking for is if there's any modifications from the manufacturer to see if it's a common fault. They might modify the part to prevent this issue from happening again in future, so to prevent further warranty work or any other issues like that. But what we'll also do is just to see if we can just work out why this was defective in the first place. And just taking a quick look at it, we can already see a difference, that there's a metal plate missing from the old one, and this metal plate also acts as a seat for the head of the cable, and this being missing just has the head resting on a plastic base, and it'll just wear through eventually the more that the customer uses their handbrake, and that's why it's failed. Okay. So when you're done, it should look like that. I'll run in and double check everything's seated properly. Okay, so now that we've replaced the splitter and the handbrake cable, what we want to do is, with the car up in the air, lift the handbrake lever to see how many clicks we have. Normally it should be around 3. And then we want to release it again because we want to make sure there's no binding on the rear wheels. So when it's up in the air, we can go back after doing this test and try rotating the wheels, make sure they're still free. Okay, so the handbrake lever. Yeah, and it feels nice on 3. So I'll release that now. So it's all the way off. Yeah, it's still nice and free. Hey guys, we've just been out on road testing the van and the handbrake cables are sorted, so that's ready for the customer to collect. I just wanted to thank you guys as well before I go for watching this video. Please leave a like on it and please subscribe to the channel because it means a lot to us. And if you could, hit that bell for notifications and then you'll be notified every time we post a new video, which is weekly. Cheers.